we recommend when you have this exposed pipe, try to get a little insulation on it. What we do is just try to get it covered enough to where the pipe is no longer exposed. What I like to do is I throw a couple of zip ties on them, but you can use tape if you like to use tape. It doesn't matter. Zip ties just work a little bit better for me. We want to get a new styrofoam cover for our outside hydrant, but of course you want to attach it on, set it on. Now a lot of folks, you'll see that they'll take some extra insulation or a towel. Anything helps. Kind of set it on there,